Very few cars achieve household name status, but thanks to its popularity and consistently good value for money throughout the decades, the Vauxhall Astra is one of those cars. And it's clearly still a winning formula, as the Astra took Best Family Car in our 2025 Driver Power Owner Satisfaction Survey. Now, in its 8th generation, the Astra is still an approachable, family-friendly car, but is now more sophisticated than ever before. The Astra we've got here is the entry-level Griffin spec, but don't go thinking that smaller price tag of less than £27,000 means big drawbacks. Accompanying the latest Astra's distinctive angular design are these diamond-cut alloy wheels, a contrasting black roof and tinted rear windows, all of which help this already stylish design stand out from the crowd even further. And there's plenty more on the inside, where the Vauxhall Astra's unique design theme continues. And the centrepiece has to be Vauxhall's Pure Panel Pro infotainment system, which consists of two 10-inch HD screens. Naturally, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come as standard, and you can enjoy that high definition in comfort thanks to the AGR ergonomic active driver's seat with 8-way adjustability. And on the topic of seats, both the front seats are heated, as is the steering wheel. So the Astra is a really comfortable place to be. But if you're understandably concerned about a tricky parking manoeuvre ruining that relaxing journey, then the 180-degree rear view camera will make short work of it and keep any drama at bay. It's clear that Vauxhall have been very generous when kitting out the Astra Griffin, and with the choice of petrol, hybrid or fully electric power, there's something under the bonnet to suit everyone. And each of those powertrains offer their own benefits in terms of cost and efficiency. But if you are tempted by the idea of ditching the liquid fuel, then the Astra Electric can cover up to 260 miles on a single charge. No matter which fuel you prefer, you'll be able to choose from either a hatchback or an estate, both of which offer plenty of room for all of the family. And it's this high level of practicality mixed with loads of standard features and a really eye-catching design that makes the Vauxhall Astra Griffin such an appealing package. And that's an awful lot of car for less than £27,000.